Hi guys, I finally got my husband to book us an all-inclusive holiday, and this is our review of the Vila Galé Náutico hotel in Armação de Pêra. So let's dive in. The hotel is located just a short walk to this beautiful beach here in Armação de Pêra. We've been to this area before, so we love Armação de Pêra. It's a lovely area to visit, and this beach is lovely. Also, what is nice here, when the tide is out, then you can also discover all sorts of things in the rock pools, which is also great, and it's only a short walk from the hotel. We've booked this all-inclusive holiday with TUI to Armação de Pêra, and we included the flights and the airport transfer from Faro to Armação de Pêra. Here you can see this was the aircraft we were on and the space we had on the TUI flight. They also kept us together as a family, which was great, and so we had enough space. Here you can also see the food menu. Obviously the prices depends. This was in September this year, so maybe they will change. But the hot food we tried, and to be honest, we cannot recommend you the hot food, so I would just suggest to have some snacks or drinks if you need, but the hot sandwiches we cannot recommend personally. But the prices are fairly common also on other airlines here in Europe, so that's fine. We've booked the airport transfer from the hotel with the bus from Faro to the hotel, so let's show you that as well now. Here you can see the inside of the buses, plenty of space, good service. When we arrived in Faro, a TUI representative was there to greet us, and he showed us where we could find the buses. And on our return journey, I think we heard the day before when our bus would pick us up, so keep that in mind as well. But yeah, the bus was on time. It got us also to the airport on time, so that worked very well. The bus journey on our arrival from Faro to the hotel took a bit less than 1.5 hours. So we arrived at the hotel around 9:30 at night. And what was great is they gave us quickly the wristbands before we even got to the rooms. And so we were able to eat something from the buffet before it closed at 10 o'clock. And we were able to enjoy some music. This we really enjoyed. It was really a nice touch. This is our hotel room here at night. You can see there's a double bed, a table over there, and here the sofa bed. And here is the bathroom. Nothing fancy, but it worked well and everything was clean. And the staff were also very friendly and came every day. They also filled up the minibar, which was good every day. And here you can see the view from our room, from our balcony. Lovely view over the pool. Now let's get into the food. First, let's start with the breakfast buffet and let's show you that. Now here you can see the breakfast buffet. There's freshly fried eggs, and you can also get an omelette there. They have bacon, etc. The breakfast is pretty much the same every day, but there's a variety of items available for everyone. You can have also some yogurt and fresh fruits, pancakes. So yeah, it was a good enough breakfast, and we were very happy with it every day. Also the Portuguese rolls, they had some nice rolls there, which was also very nice. Now let me show you here a little bit more around. So here you can see the yogurts, there's a variety, and water and fresh fruits. It is a good buffet, and yeah, we were very happy with it here every day. And you can also get yourself an omelette, as I said, freshly made. So now let's show you the other foods from other times of the day. Throughout the day, after the breakfast, you can get yourself sandwiches and snacks as well from the little bar by the pool. So that is also nice. Now let's show you the lunch that was separately served in the restaurant as well. That is also nice. The lunch started at 12:30 to 2:30, as you can see here. And this is what it looks like. Here is the lunch buffet. There's a variety of fruits, cakes, and also meat on offer. It depends really what theme night they have. I think they usually sort of do something different, a little bit different at lunch. But yeah, the food we were really happy with. Here you can see there's a variety of dishes here, and it is always a bit something different at lunchtime and in the evening. There's also some nice meat fried, salad. Here's a salad selection. This is really a great selection. We really enjoyed the food there. That was really nice what they had here on offer. You could also drink some wine. We didn't have any wine, so we can't really say what that is like. But here you can have see the breads. There was also some lovely paella, which was served on the day we had lunch here on this day. Then there's also a little kids table, which is also quite nice. So the kids can choose something, and they serve ice cream here and also at the snack bar throughout the day. This is the evening dinner buffet. They have every night a themed night. Every night is something different. I think this was the Portuguese night. They have a variety of good dishes, which is great. Here is some Portuguese cake as well. Really nice food. We can definitely recommend you the food there. It was really well made and thought out. There was always something there for everyone. This was an amazing display. Look at this little fruit display. They made them all into flowers. We were very happy with the food at the hotel. We can definitely recommend it to you for this. But look at this beautiful display. It was amazing. Now let's have a look at the facilities here. You can see this is a lovely outdoor pool. There's also this little kids pool here in front of the outdoor pool, which is also handy, and plenty of sunbeds there are around. And here is the indoor pool in here, and also here you can see the gym, the variety of weights, facilities here. That's also great. They also have a variety of kids entertainment sessions, like here they did some drumming, or you could play with some plasticine or Play-Doh, so to speak. They also did some crafty things. The kids could go there during the day, which is also nice. And at nighttime they had some bits for the kids. That was really nice for kids of all ages. They can go. So that was really nice. And they also have some activities for adults, like walks or some Pilates, stretching during the day. And at nighttime they have some entertainment going on. It's usually karaoke, and the kids end up singing because not many adults are singing. But also they had some dance nights here, like they had some Brazilian night. If you have a room that faces the pool, then be aware that you will hear this much more than if you had a room on the other side. So if you want a quieter room, you need to ask them for that. But I think it finished at 11 every night, so that wasn't too bad. And here you can just see these Brazilian dancers. We really enjoyed our week at this hotel. It was a great experience, and we can definitely recommend it to you.